Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope everybody is okay. Right? Today I'm going to cook some food. And I'm going to cook some codfish. I'm going to boil some codfish. Yes, eat 3 nice pieces. Yes. And you remember when we in Jamaica, we use the Cho Cho. Yes, I'm going to use the codfish with the Cho Cho. And these are my seasoning. Yes. And I'm going to cook green banana and potato. Okay, I'm gonna wash my saltfish. My water is already on the fire, so stay with me. Really salt. Now we keep changing the water to get the salt out and the boiling water. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare my Cho Cho and also my seasoning. Okay. I'm gonna use some vinegar. It's good to use when you're washing your fruit and vegetable. Put some in the water. All of this season I'm gonna cut up. I like to when my pot well seasoned. Okay. I change my knife. I have some thyme leaf here. Nice. So I'm gonna cut and add my garlic, and this is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna put all of this pepper. Okay. I'm gonna use all of my onion. Yes, everything. Change my water from my codfish. Water, and I'm gonna let it boil for another 10 minutes. So in all, I'm not cutting my hand. I'm gonna dice them like this. Easier to peel. You see why I slice them like this? Make it easy to cook. Okay, this water is for my banana and my potato. I'll put some salt. Okay, I don't want no more than that. Okay, I'm changing my second water. I already washed these. My water is on the fire waiting for me. Guys, you don't have to peel it, if you don't want to. Because the skin is very, let me tell you, very, very good. Alright, let these stay right here. And I can cook my banana in the skin. But I prefer to peel it. So before I peel, it's tiny. I'm going to put some coconut oil. Put it on my hand. Take away the stain. Okay. Okay, I think my codfish is finished. So this is the last water. Cold water. So we take off the rough edge from it and try. My saltfish, I don't want them to small. I don't want them to last in the pot. Grapeseed oil to my pot. I'm gonna cook down my codfish. Okay, too much. Okay, first I didn't let you know that I'm gonna use some annatto. Annatto. I'm gonna add it to my oil with the turmeric. Oh, wow. And this is my turmeric. Okay, if you want some more, add it to it. Looking good. I'm gonna add my Cho Cho. Add my Cho Cho. I'm cooking my Cho Cho. Season. This is some black pepper. I have my Jamaican season here. Okay. It smells good. I'm telling you. I just put the, I'm gonna add a little tip of water to this and leave it for 10-15 minutes for the Cho Cho to cook. Wow, looking so nice. So nice. I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs anything. A little more pepper. You don't have to put no more pepper, guys, if you're cooking and you don't like the pepper. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna turn off my stove, okay? Please remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay? Thank you all for watching. Have a God bless day.